Hey traders, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a trading strategy that is not only going to protect your capital, but also help you maximize profits with precision entries. And I won't just explain the theories. I'm going to walk you step by step on how to apply this strategy directly on your chart. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to confidently trade the forex market with a rule-based system that gives you a real edge. We always appreciate your support, so please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're new. Let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the two main entry models we'll be comparing in this video: the Stop Hunt BMS RTO entry strategy and the Engulfing Candle entry strategy. Many traders rely on engulfing candles for confirmation, believing that a strong bullish or bearish candle automatically signals institutional participation. But here's the truth. Engulfing candles often form after liquidity has already been taken, which means entries based on them are reactive, not predictive. They show momentum but not manipulation, and as a result, traders often enter late or directly into a retracement. Now, let's contrast that with the Stop Hunt plus break of market structure, BMS, plus return to origin, RTO, entry model. This model focuses on the smart money's true footprint. It identifies where liquidity is engineered, where it's taken, and where price is likely to reverse. Here's the breakdown. 1. Stop Hunt. This is where the market takes out liquidity resting above or below a key level, targeting traders who entered early or placed obvious stop losses. 2. Break of market structure, BMS. After liquidity is taken, we wait for a clear structure break in the opposite direction. This confirms that smart money is done collecting orders and is now shifting the trend. 3. Return to origin, RTO. Finally, we wait for price to return to the zone where displacement began, the origin of the move. This is where smart money re-enters to push price in the intended direction. By entering at the RTO, we're not chasing price. We're trading from precision levels, where risk is minimal and potential reward is maximum. Let's compare the logic behind both strategies side by side. The engulfing candle model relies on visual confirmation, a big candle, while the Stop Hunt BMS RTO model relies on market structure, liquidity manipulation, and institutional order flow. The engulfing candle model relies on visual confirmation, a big candle, while the Stop Hunt BMS RTO model relies on market structure, liquidity manipulation, and institutional order flow. The engulfing candle entry gives you confirmation after the move has started, while the Stop Hunt BMS RTO model positions you before the major move begins. With engulfing setups, your stop loss is usually large, reducing your risk-to-reward ratio. But with the Stop Hunt BMS RTO model, your entry is so precise that you can comfortably trade with a tight stop loss and still catch large moves. This is why professional traders and institutions prefer the Stop Hunt BMS RTO model. It's not based on candle patterns or emotion, but on the logic of liquidity and market structure. Now, let's apply this on the chart using pound sterling to US dollar on the 5-minute time frame. We'll start by identifying a key liquidity area, such as equal highs or lows. Once the market sweeps those levels, that's your stop hunt. Next, we look for a break of market structure in the opposite direction to confirm the shift. Finally, we mark the return to origin zone, usually at the base of the displacement candle, and that's where our entry is placed. When price returns to that zone, we enter the trade with a tight stop loss below or above the structure, depending on the direction, and target a minimum of 1:5 or 1:10 risk-to-reward ratio. Unlike the engulfing candle entry, which often leaves you entering mid-move, this approach allows you to enter at the exact point of institutional reentry, meaning you're trading alongside smart money, not against it. So, in summary, engulfing candles show you reaction. Stop Hunt BMS RTO shows you manipulation and intention. That's the difference between trading what you see and trading what's really happening behind the scenes. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, hit subscribe, drop a comment below telling me which strategy you use, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated.